Hello coders, welcome to day 27 session of Mastering Spring Boot. So in this session, we comparing application.properties file and application.yaml file in a theoretical way. And when we develop our Spring Boot project, we use application.property file. So now we convert that project to a application.yaml. So let's discuss theoretical part first. So in application.properties, one of the biggest advantage is simplicity. So in application.property, like you're storing each and everything is a key value pair. This is one of the big advantage. So if your configuration file is very less, so you go for application.properties file. But there's lots of downside over there. One of the biggest downside which I see, if you compare this email configuration, I want to write Spring mail words more than like 10 times. So if you write that same stuff in application.yaml file, you just write this Spring mail only one time. In a hierarchy way, you can write your other configuration. For example, host, and after that port. Okay, so like that way. So the advantage of application.yaml file is one is good readability, because application.yaml file use indentation structure, okay, base structure. And after that, in application.yaml, you can use various data structure. For example, you can use a list also, you can use a map also, you can use hierarchical way also to represent your data. So this is hierarchical way. So let's use ChatGPT to convert this application.properties file to YAML. Just copy this stuff. Before copying, just we need to refactor that to a YAML format. Okay, so just click on rename and click on property, convert that to YAML. And active profile is dev, so we need to do for dev also. Refactor to YAML. Let's do for pod also and UAT also. YAML. Okay, and do for here also. Refactor, rename to YAML. YML. So we successfully refactor that to YAML. Now jump to application.yaml, copy that stuff, okay, and tell ChatGPT convert application property to application.yaml. So convert my application.properties details to .yml, and just provide these details and click on enter. So if you not yet use a ChatGPT and other AI tool, okay, I highly suggest you to use that, because it save our lots of time, almost like 90% of time. So successfully convert the whole stuff. Let's copy that. And after copying, just paste over here and just save that. And let's do for dev also, and just tell to ChatGPT do for this also. Do for this also. Okay, and just provide the content. And it's doing that. I think the ChatGPT is basically adding the same thing in same file. Okay, no issue. We will copy that. This is our details. A local stuff, local MongoDB config, and just paste over here. So we successfully convert the both file. I think there is nothing in application prod and YAML UAT also. So let's run our application and let's see everything's working fine or not. So our application is running. Okay, great. So our application started on 8080 and everything is working fine. So in that way, you can convert your application.properties file to YAML. Yeah, that's it from today's video. If you like our video, give us thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share with your friends and colleagues who have same tech stack. And we create one Telegram group. In that Telegram group, we are sharing interview tips and tricks, our video updates, then important content. If you not yet joined that group, link in description, QR code, come over here. So let's meet on a next video. Till then, happy coding.